If you're experiencing account sync issues on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you enable the necessary settings for a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection to confirm that your connection is stable. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings and System and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for updates. Step 3. Sign out and sign back in. Log out of your PlayStation Network account and then log back in. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, select Account, and choose Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in with your credentials. Step 4. Rebuild database. Rebuilding the database can help fix sync issues. Turn off your PS5, then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. Step 5. Contact PlayStation Support. If the issue persists, reach out to PlayStation Support for further assistance. Visit their official website and navigate to the support section to find contact options. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues on the PlayStation 5. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team. Happy gaming!